In this video, we will learn how to send zip files in Gmail. So let's start. This is my Gmail account. So here I'm going to send one email. So here I'm attached a zip file. Okay, just click on the attach files options and select your the zip file those you want to attach on email. So I select here the zip file and click on the open, and the file is attached it. Okay, second way, you just drag the file with the mouse. Just drag and go to the email and drop here the file is attached it. Third way, you can share the link of the drive. So I open here Google Drive and click on the upload tab and click on the browse, and here I select the zip files. Okay, again click on the open, and here zip file is attached it. Okay, link of zip file is attached it. So this is a way you can send this zip file in Gmail. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.